Building a PC today. Jared would move. There she is in all her glory. Pretty. We're starting with the fans.
I know, I'm taking this piece out for a second. Cause
You're good.
we gotta see where the motherboard sits in here. Anyway. So.
We're also not doing this in order.
In order?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Well, because the manual over here says that it gives you what to start with and crap like that.
You don't have to do that.
Oh, well, it actually says to start with the fans anyways, so we're not doing it in the wrong order. We're Gucci.
Where's that box?
Does it matter if the screws don't like tighten? They just keep turning.
I mean, if it's not gonna move, it's fine.
He's right by the cars.
Next.
Sorry.
You did.
Should have been holding it.
She's pretty already.
Yeah,
Looks like I'm going to be kicking you out of your spot soon.
I know. I want to get my desk over here as soon as possible.
Is it going to fit in your car? Or do you have to take
I
it
might.
out?
Alright, now we're installing the CPU to the motherboard. So all you're going to want to do, I'll show you. Do you want me to do it?
Just tell me how much.
No. Well, give me 1 second here. Okay. This goes right like that. I wouldn't put that on yet.
I'm just holding it.
And then it's going to be a little snug in there. Just make sure it's in place. It doesn't like to. Like that.
Okay.
So we don't
Just
need that
fingerprints
quite yet.
on it.
Yeah.
You and your filthy fingers, bro.
I
How
know.
dare you?
These can come out.
I need it out, or?
You're gonna need those off, yeah.
Okay. I'm actually having a really good time right now. This is fun.
Like I said, it's a fun thing to do, is build a computer. And it's this side too.
Oops. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. Jared is the professional, not me. He got me into it. Blame him.
And while we're at it, where's this small screwdriver?
I put it back over here. These ones? Or...
Yeah, you need the
I
Phillips
don't
head.
think you need to.
You won't need the flat head.
There we go. Okay.
Alright, so now we need to take this out for the heatsink. Or the SSD, I mean. Does this have on both sides? Yes, it does.
Does yours have that too? Or?
No, just the one side. So then, what we do is we take this, put it right there. Oh, we need to take that screw out as well. This little one.
Ah. What's with the little black?
I don't know. magnets to hold it in place. So let me set that there. Now we need that screw again.
Dynamic. It's so tiny.
I know my hands are in the way.
Well, my hands are apparently too big for this. Oh no.
Braylon, turn it down. Turn it down, please.
It doesn't go any farther.
Here, let me see this real quick. There we go. That's why.
Okay, I was gonna say, because there's no way in hell I'm getting that back in there. Just stop. Stop it.
You want me to do it?
No.
I
There
think
we
it's
go.
just. I think that's what it's for. Is for your finger. That'd make a lot of sense. And maybe. Oh, I see. There.
Fancy. I did not screw it in very tight. You're not supposed to, right? I don't know what I'm doing.
No, you're good. As long as it sits there and it doesn't move at all, you're good.
Okay.
Alright, so then we put this back on. I don't know what that one's for, but make sure it lines up. Good. I would do that one first. Perfect. Not
Thank
going
you.
anywhere. Now we're installing the RAM. So, babe, what you want to do is just put it in like that. Then, let me double check. And then you just want to gently press down. You don't want to put a lot of force on it because you don't want to break it. You want me to do it?
No. Never mind. You got it.
And you want to hear that click on both sides like that. Bam.
Okay.
Right? And then now, since we did that one, spin that around for a second. So that you can do this one. You just want to, because I want you to, you just want to be careful when you push down. But make sure you're pushing down straight or else it'll break.
I'm scared. Can you do it?
Yeah.
I don't want to break them.
Ta-da. Yeah, no, I was having issues with mine that one day. Remember when I was having issues with our computer?
Yeah.
It's because I took out the RAM and then I reinstalled it and it wasn't operating right. Beautiful. That was awesome, by the way. I love that. So now we actually get to install the motherboard. So this just sits, should sit this way. Yeah. Goes right in here. Like this.
You already took this off.
Yeah, I
I was
unscrewed
gonna
it.
question why it was crooked in there, so I'm glad that you answered that question.
And it just pops into place here. You just gotta apply some pressure on it. Mine didn't come with that. Mine came with this already installed.
Oh, is that what you were talking about earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And then what I would suggest doing is we should probably take this out. But it's not in the way of the motherboard when we install it. I think yours is gonna look so sick once it's done.
She's already a sick color.
So this should come out easily.
I chose a good one. Without your help, can you believe that? That part just looks scary. I don't like it.
I think it's
I don't think I've ever seen any of them with wires in them like that.
Set that aside. So then, motherboard.
Oh, she heavy. Alright, what way does it go? I wonder if mine goes like this?
Nope.
Like
You had
this.
it right. Yep. So if you look where this is, you want to line this up with this.
Ah, I'm stupid.
I didn't say that.
I
Smart.
said it. Wait. I was gonna
Yep,
line
right
them up with the
Right there.
screws. The screw
Yep.
holes.
It should just slide over. And it's in place. So now, you see all these holes here?
Yeah.
That's where we need to install screws.
These ones that are right here? Or.
No, these ones.
Oh, okay.
Every single one of these holes needs one of these screws. So that one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
I need the small one again, right?
Yeah, that would. I'm going to give you those there.
Alright. I forgot what that one video said. The guy, he said not to put them like exactly in a certain way, I thought. I don't remember. You just tell me where to put it first and then.
Let's do that one first.
Okay.
You don't have to tighten them all the way right away.
I
You
just
can
kind
also.
of get a little tight, not too much.
I would suggest doing opposite corners like a
I
tire.
think that's what he said. He is catching on the side of it.
You can move these if you want.
I think it'll be okay.
That one's going to be tough. You see where it is?
I see it, yeah.
That's the tough one.
Oh, I'm proud to do this one. Jared. Kiss break. Where next? What do you want me to do?
Let's do this corner, and then let's get the rest done after that.
At least it was lined up so we didn't have to move it.
That's crooked. You might want to undo and redo that one. There you go. Am I right though? Isn't this more fun than
I mean, it looks
Then buying
pretty fun.
pre-built?
Yeah.
Now that you're not going to have issues.
Jared, if I find any more of your hair in my PC, I'm whooping yes.
I would do that one next. Literally had it perfectly placed.
Oh my God.
And let's go with this one here.
Captain. I don't remember your motherboard looking this scary. I'm not gonna lie. Look at all this shit.
I had all that stuff.
It looks scary.
Mine was tougher though. Because mine had the ports for the USB.
And mine's bigger than yours. Mine's bigger.
No, I have 4 of these slots. You have 2.
I meant my case.
And I
is
have like
bigger than
3
yours.
of these too. So I have.
You didn't tell me where to go next, so I'm just gonna go
That's
here.
fine. I would suggest doing this one and then that one. And I think that's it, right?
Alrighty. We're doing surgery.
I feel like doing the power supply is going to be the easiest part, so we should probably do that last.
I think the easiest part is gonna be plugging it into the wall.
Once it's well, the power supply is how you're going to get all your power. So,
Are we missing any?
that one, right there.
God, I can't even see that.
Everything's tiny.
I think that was the last one.
That's it. Ta-da! And now it's installed. So we can tip this up.
1 second, let me move these out of the way.
Actually, I wouldn't tip it up quite yet.
You belonged in,
Let's get
Belonged.
that view
apparently.
of how it looks.
Can't speak. I'm in the way.
Now the box is sitting on, we need.
Okay, well, I can move the phone. Just hold on.
Because I would suggest doing that before we install the. So now we're installing the CPU cooler, or the AIO, which is the liquid cooler for the CPU.
And she's pretty. Yeet. I don't want to just like tear the box apart. Yeah, I just don't want to wreck the boxes, just in case there's something wrong with it and we have to return it. And so we can put extra pieces in here that we don't need at the time.
Oh, it comes with thermal paste. That's nice.
Maybe that's what happens when you buy stuff from an actual computer store. I'm gonna move this crap. Alright, setting the box over here. What was the heaviest piece? I think it was this.
That's a power supply.
I think this was the heaviest box, other than the case. Case wasn't that heavy though. It's gonna be when we put all this stuff in there.
Let me see. There's the manual. There's our manual.
Where's that box that was in it?
This?
I don't think it had one in it.
I have to take this.
Okay, we can.
So this, it'll be fine.
That's what you say. You always say it's gonna be fine.
So what we need to do is we need to install this.
You think it goes there?
Yeah, it looks like it goes there.
I don't know. Okay.
Well, it doesn't matter where it goes up here, just as long as it goes up here.
Okay. Alright, Captain Crunch.
So if you like, we can install it there.
Okay. Do I need
Screws? Not those.
no?
They'd probably be in the motherboard box. For this box. Yeah, let's see. And what I would suggest doing is doing these two corners first and then screwing the rest.
You said these ones?
Yep.
Where do we? I think that's actually for these.
What?
The loose screws are in
Oh.
here. They're for the other part of
Yep.
these. So I would hope we don't lose them, please. Ready, Freddy?
Yeah, just do the two top corners first and then we can screw everything else.
Do you want? Oh, wait, never mind. That's not gonna work.
No.
So
Or
it
do you want it
has to
up-
be in this.
Up like that.
Well, what do you think?
I think that
'Cause
would be best right there.
just wanna make sure.
Just makes it easier so I don't have to hold it if we get it installed there. Wow.
Crazy, motherfucker.
Ta-da. Alright, now we gotta get all of these installed.
Also, I'm not tightening them too tight right now. I was thinking when we're done.
We can loosen it up and adjust it.
No, that's not what's happening.
What are you talking about?
We can tighten it fully when we put it all together, so that way nothing pops off.
It's just tightening everything now.
Bitch, that's a lot of tightening to go through again.
Where's the other
You
screwdriver?
fucker.
Is it over there?
You should mention that.
We can tighten. It's just what this and that, right? You got the fans all tightened, right?
No, I didn't tighten those all
Okay,
the
we'll
way.
tighten them all the way.
Because I didn't know you wanted me to tighten everything right away.
A lot of the screwing is almost done anyway.
You think we can get most of this done?
Today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know what time it is.
It's probably like 1 o'clock.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
not even 1 o'clock yet. It's almost 1 o'clock.
Oh, it is 1. 2 minutes to 1.
Okay.
And then I will go around. No, the shorter end goes in.
How tight do you want me to tighten them?
I would tighten them all the way if you can.
Okay.
Now I need to see how this lines up. You want it to sit like that, I'm guessing, right?
I think so, yeah. That should be fine. That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, just then you can. With these, you can move them too a little bit. So if you want them, but like you want the MSI to be facing kind of upward, right?
Yeah.
So next,
We need this thing, right?
yeah. And then, so apparently these are for that
Please
too.
peel off label before you use it. Please make sure the pump cables are connected.
We'll make sure.
They kind of already look connected, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know anything. So,
I'll show you.
these are the pump cables, right?
No, those are the.
Okay.
Okay, once I rip this open. Yep. This is what we need. We really don't need these. I don't think. They're not anything I'm used to seeing. So what we do, we take this off. Okay. We can either use that or do you want to use the one that came with it?
I think we'll just use the one that came with it. Not gonna hurt anything, right?
So then, are you gonna follow it?
Yes, go ahead.
So you just need a little bit. Kind of just. Sorry for that.
You just dripped it onto the other part.
I wiped it up a little bit with my finger.
Okay, is it supposed to go in there or no?
It'll be fine.
I'm gonna count how many times you say that in the video. I'm not gonna lie.
So then this, let's put it over there for now. This sits there. And then we can just start screwing it in place. If you want. With these little front screws.
These things?
Yep.
I'm assuming it goes a certain way.
Oh crap.
What?
I didn't realize. Yeah, it goes that way. You're
Okay.
right. Yep.
Well, I just want to make sure I'm
No, you're
putting
good.
them in right.
I didn't put that one all the way on because I just want to get them on.
These are gonna hold it in place. It's not gonna like slip off.
No.
Okay.
No.
Because I thought they kind of went through these things, but these are gonna hold it okay though. It's not
Yeah.
gonna like slip out of place.
Not if they're fully tightened.
Okay. Well, I'm trying, but
What I think this is for.
you're gonna probably have to tighten those.
I can tighten them. We don't need those. Oh yeah,
Okay. Can I take this out?
that's fine. And the same with these can come on too. Alright, now
Ready?
I noticed this.
Beautiful.
You know what this is?
No.
That's what that is.
Okay. That was very specific. Thank you.
I didn't even
Okay,
have to
do
look
I
at the
need
manual.
to take this off? We should have
Let me
probably
see.
checked for stickers before we started this.
Just leave it on there for now. Should be good. So the next thing is
Hitting me with a cord.
this one. Right. If you look, here comes part of the cabling, right?
Okay.
And then this one you can put on the CPU fan, which is right here next to this. Okay. And then you have all this here. Let me fix this. It should tuck that line.
I'm just trying to move it out of the way.
Tuck that line like that. I have an idea for.
There's
Oh,
also
here, let
some
me see.
Velcro stuff somewhere.
Let me see. Now it comes to the cable management part, which is
I'm so bad. I just want to take this off. It's bothering me.
stop. That thing was sticking.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
What we could do is this. So we can have this go through this.
Nothing important goes in these parts, right? Does this just stay empty?
That's all for cables.
Okay, I just want to
It's all for cables.
make sure nothing
So
important
then
goes
what we
into it.
could do is just have that go back like that.
You're like aggressive with the cords. It's kind of scaring me.
They're not
These
gonna get rid of it.
wires are very thin.
Okay, and then you see this part? You see how it says, well, you see how it has the 3 pins?
Yep.
You want to look for any of those headers that has 3 pins. Like this one has 4. You want to go for this one here that has 3. So
Okay.
what you do, just connect that
I feel like I'm in the way.
right there. Bam.
I feel like you didn't push that in all the way.
It's in the way.
Okay, it just doesn't look like it.
It doesn't know. And then this can just connect to this. Like that. Get rid of that.
Was that yours that just made a noise?
Yeah, it just turned off.
Okay. Do you still have the plastic wrapped on yours?
On my glass?
Yeah.
No.
No,
that sticker's just on there.
Okay,
I
I
have
was
to take it
gonna-
off yet, but.
I was just wondering.
So then, I mean, cable
This is
management
garbage,
is going to be in.
right?
Yes. So if you look at how many cables you have there. Look at where they all are now.
That's so nice.
Doesn't that look nice?
It does.
And then like when we get to the cable management. So now we have to install the vertical GPU stand. Which you see how I'm lining these up, David? That clip needs to be open though.
I was gonna say, looks like you're struggling.
Okay. That.
Dang, aggressive. Pushing way too hard.
Well, you want to push it in until you hear that click.
I know, but you're moving the motherboard and that's kind of scary.
It'll be fine.
I think it's 3 or 4 times you've said that already.
Where'd my other screw go? I need another one of these screws. I don't know where it went.
There's some in here. Are these any?
Oh, it's right here. Yeah.
Do we need any of these parts?
We'll
by
need
the way?
this, and we'll need some screws. I know there's some. Those are garbage. The black pieces are
These ones
garbage.
right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to move the garbage out of the
Out,
way
yeah.
so that way. What do we need this for then? We don't need this.
No, that's garbage.
You don't want to sell it?
Next. Where's the other piece? The other screw?
Am I holding it?
Yeah.
Are you sure we don't need this?
Yes.
For anything? You don't
Nope.
want to like keep it
Nope.
for.
Nope.
Okay. Alright. I can't see the H anymore. Where'd it go?
Can I get the bigger screwdriver?
I can't wait to see this thing all turned on. I bet it's gonna be pretty. It's already pretty.
Alright, as you can see, we have the graphics card installed now. So we just gotta screw it in on the back side here. I think that looks sick.
Do I still need more fans if this one's got fans?
I would suggest getting the two 140 fans for down below.
Alright. Suggestion denied.
No.
Just kidding.
All right. That's installed. That ain't going anywhere.
Sweet.
So next we're installing the power supply. So this is the back side.
Okay.
It goes right here. And you see how the screws are lined up?
Yeah.
I hope. And then you need the screws. They're in a bag over there. There's 4 of them. That's all the cables that connect to this. Yeah, you don't need
You need
everything. You won't need
all
everything.
these?
You won't need all those.
I like how it came in a bag. That's cool.
I have one of those at home.
Alright, so I need this box full of screws.
Yeah.
And then this out of this.
I'll grab the ones you need.
Gucci, my dude.
You'll need those.
Yeah, yeah. Tiny screwdriver.
So are they lined up? I can't see.
If you stop moving, then yes, it will be.
I have it pushed. It's not going anywhere, trust me.
Alright. Do the bottom one?
Yeah, I
and
would do the
go
bottom
from
corner.
there. Oops.
Alright. PSU is installed. Alright. So now we need to plug in the CPU power cable.
It goes on the top along.
No,
this one,
it should go. Yeah, you can put it
Oh,
there.
yeah,
You can put
I
it there
see.
too.
This, can I, which one?
You can
Which
also
way
put
is
it
it
there or
going?
there. I would put it here. I'll show you why.
Okay.
Alright, and then now we need the PCIe cable, which is for the this side goes into that.
I can put it right
Yep.
here?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
That seems pretty easy.
Alright, now comes the cabling. So graphics card again, we took it out to wire everything up just so we can reach around. There. And then I have the screws over here, right?
Do you need the small one or the big screwdriver?
Big one. It's the first time I've ever installed a vertical.
Well, at least you know how to do it, so that's nice.
Graphics card.
I don't think I would have been able to follow the manual very well if I was by myself doing this.
Did you let him?
I would have rage quit.
Yeah, you would have gotten very frustrated. I think.
Probably.
So.
I probably would have started without you. But I figured you would have gotten upset if I did, so.
And then this, we can either, Can either do it the long way, or we can just tuck that. But this needs to be. I don't know where that works.
Oh, the cord's back there?
No, where this was going.
Oh.
I have an idea. Bam! Perfect fit. Then, next panel. And you now have a PC.
Did all the wiring off camera because that's boring.
Boring and chaotic.
And now we get to take these wonderful things off.
I think there might be one on the inside too. Maybe not.
It doesn't look like it.
Oh yeah.
She gorgeous. Can't tell if this one's off or not. No, it's on.
And now we get to test her out. Yeah, this is the one I built. It still needs some work. A couple fans that are missing and cables. So, thing looks beautiful though. I love it.
This was originally my case and all of my parts, but I wanted to choose my own, so.
2, 1.
Gorgeous!
Fucking beautiful, baby.
We're gonna add more fans in here, by the way. We have to order them.
Did we not? I didn't connect the monitor yet.
That is gorgeous.